Wait a sec, removing the background of photos, making mobile calls or tracking aeroplanes are all features built natively into your Mac? Yes they are, and here are 10 of these astonishing Mac features coming right up with number 1, which makes image conversions a breeze. To convert JPEGs to PNGs or any other image format, you don't need any app. Just select one or more images you want to convert, right click on them and hover over quick actions in the pop-up menu. Here click on Convert Images. Now you can select your wanted file type, so in this case PNG, and new image size if you also want to compress the original image. When done, you'll find the converted file in your Finder. If the Convert Image option doesn't show up for you, again, navigate to Quick Actions and click on Customize. This will open the settings and you can add it to the list. But Quick Actions go way further. Now, if you've got a few different file types from which you want to merge a single PDF, that's not a problem. Watch this. I can select 2 different images and another 2 PDF files. Then, if I right-click and again navigate to Quick Actions, I can choose to create a PDF. And in less than a second, I got a PDF file from all the documents I selected. Moving on from files to photos, the Photos app on Mac got a pretty stunning update with the latest Mac OS, enabling us to remove the background of nearly any photo. You can just right-click and then select Copy Subject. Now it's lifted from the background and we can insert it anywhere we want to as a PNG file. And it works almost perfectly every single time. It's really incredible. But let's not forget about this app here. Apple's own video player QuickTime might seem basic at first, but it has a pretty nifty feature that can do some basic video editing for you. If you've got 2 videos you want to combine, just open one of them using QuickTime and then drag and drop the other onto the player window either before or after. You can now save your new creation as a brand new video file. Not a well-known feature, but one that can save you loads of time. And when it comes to saving time, hot corners are undeniably an essential Mac feature. As most of you probably already know, you can use hot corners to trigger a certain action just by moving your cursor to a specific screen corner. For example, unveiling your desktop for easy file access. But hot corners can really be annoying as heck if you keep triggering them by mistake, as I do loads of times. Luckily, there's a simple fix. Open System Settings, go to Desktop and Dock, and scroll down to Hot Corners. Now, instead of just choosing the actions as you would normally do, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard before selecting one. From now on, you'll only trigger the action when both moving your cursor to the set corner and holding down Shift. An easy fix for an annoying issue. Speaking of which, I'm sure you've experienced this. You copy text from, let's say, an email and paste it into a Word document, and it looks ridiculous. That's because the text is pasted in the original format, so the font and size of the email, not the format of your document. To fix this, just go to Edit in the menu bar and select Paste and Match Formatting. Or simply remember the shortcut Shift, Option, Command and V. But these features are just the tip of the iceberg, because there's some really hidden stuff in macOS. In fact, you can track flights right in Spotlight Search without needing to open any website or app. Just press Command and Space to get up Spotlight Search and type in the flight number you want to track. You'll instantly get live information on the flight, as well as a map where you can see the current location of the aeroplane. A quite hidden gem. And whilst talking about Spotlight Search, it can sometimes be a bit overwhelming to see so many results from various apps. Good thing is, you can customize your Spotlight Search experience. Open System Settings, navigate to Siri and Spotlight, and here you can check or uncheck categories you want or don't want to see in your Spotlight Search results. So uncluttering this can save you time and stress. And what if I told you you can use your Mac to take and make mobile phone calls? That means whenever you see a phone number somewhere, you can select to call it right from your Mac. To activate the feature, pick up your iPhone, open the Settings app, and scroll down to Phone. Here, tap on Calls on other devices and enable the toggle. Next, on your Mac, open the FaceTime app, click on the app menu and select Settings. Here, check the option Calls from iPhone. Now, your Mac is a fully functional phone and you'll never miss a call again. Just make sure that your iPhone is within reach. And moving on, your Mac is actually more intelligent than you might think, because it can summarize any text passage for you in any app. Just highlight the passage you want to have summarized and click on the app's name in your menu bar. Here, hover over Services and click on Summarize. Watch what happens now. I can select the summary size, so so by how much I want to compress the current text. And once selected, I get a shorter version containing the most important points. If you've never used the summary feature, it won't show up in your menu bar, so again go to Services and then click on Services Settings. Here expand the text shortcuts and check Summarize. It's now added to your menu bar. Right, to summarize this video, I'm really hoping that you've learned something new which makes using your Mac quicker, easier, or just more enjoyable. And that's also my aim with this video, showing you 10 unbelievably useful Mac apps. Alright, I'll see you there. Thanks so much for watching and have an amazing day.